West Indies are chasing another test match after the English batsmen put our bowlers to the sword. 507 for 9 declared, with the West Indies scraping a reply. And look, people said this and said that about West Indies cricket. We complain about the administrators and we pressure the players. But you know, say, one of the biggest sellouts of West Indies cricket is being done by the groundsmen, the people responsible for the preparation of the wickets across the region. Look at this test match at Kensington Oval. Once a fortress where West Indies could not lose. Almost 600 runs in 2 days. The previous game in Antigua, 1,180 odd runs in less than 5 days. Neither team able to take 20 wickets. Drawn test match. And remember now, these are the same pitches used in regional cricket. Them flat media have played a major role in the destruction of the art of fast bowling in the region. An art that was the cornerstone of the West Indies' success in those dominant years. We are set pitch now to destroy fast bowlers. And we don't have no spin bowler. And look, don't get me wrong, this is not the only problem plaguing West Indies cricket, but it is certainly one of them.